A yawn, a slow, deep breath that fills the lungs and stretches the face, might seem like a simple, everyday occurrence. We all do it, often without thinking, and sometimes at the most unexpected moments. It's a stretch of the jaw that feels almost involuntary, a gentle reminder from our bodies to pause and reset. And when we release that breath, it's often in a quiet, private moment, almost like a secret signal to ourselves that we need a break, or that our minds are wandering. But this simple reflex is more than just a solitary act. It's a behavior that links us to others in subtle, fascinating ways. Yawning is a form of silent communication, spreading through groups with surprising ease. It's almost as if our bodies are speaking a language all their own. Have you ever noticed how one person's yawn in a meeting or at home can trigger a chain reaction? Suddenly, everyone around is yawning too, as if caught in an invisible wave. This is contagious yawning, a phenomenon that connects us in ways we're only beginning to understand. It's a shared experience that can ripple through a room, uniting people in a moment of collective behavior. And it's not unique to humans. Contagious yawning is found across the animal kingdom, from chimpanzees in the wild who mirror each other's yawns, to dogs at our feet, who often yawn when their owners do, as if sharing in our moods and rhythms. The contagious yawn is an ancient social signal, passed down through generations and species. It's a gesture that hints at empathy, connection, and even the roots of social bonding. It reminds us that we're part of a larger, interconnected world, linked by behaviors that transcend words and cultures. Yawning is a thread that weaves through the fabric of life, connecting us to each other and to the animals we share our planet with. As we explore the science behind yawning, we'll see how it reveals empathy, strengthens social bonds, and even helps us understand the minds of other creatures. The humble yawn, often overlooked in our busy lives, has much to teach us about ourselves, about our biology, our emotions, and our connections to others, and about the creatures we share this planet with, from the largest lions to the smallest pets, all united by this universal gesture. So, what secrets does this universal gesture hold? Let's take a closer look at the science, the mystery, and the wonder of the yawn. Contagious yawning isn't just a human quirk, it's a shared behavior across species, connecting us in ways we're only beginning to understand. When one person yawns, it often sets off a chain reaction, and this ripple effect isn't limited to humans alone. Dogs, our closest animal companions, often catch our yawns, reflecting the deep bond we share. It's not just a coincidence. Dogs are uniquely attuned to human emotions and behaviors, and their tendency to yawn when we do is a testament to the empathy they feel for us. Studies show dogs are more likely to yawn after their owners than after strangers, highlighting the role of emotional connection. This suggests that yawning is more than a simple reflex. It's a subtle way dogs communicate their trust and attachment to us. This isn't just mimicry. It's a subtle, wordless affirmation of trust and familiarity. When a dog mirrors your yawn, it's as if they're saying, "I'm with you. I understand you." Chimpanzees, too, are avid contagious yawners, especially among family and close allies. Their yawns can spread quickly through a group, strengthening social bonds and signaling a sense of unity. A yawn from a dominant chimp can ripple through the group, reinforcing social ties. It's a silent message that helps maintain harmony and cohesion within their complex social structures. Even budgerigars, small parrots, can trigger yawning cascades within their flocks. For these birds, a yawn can synchronize the group, helping them stay alert and connected. The presence of contagious yawning in such diverse animals suggests it evolved independently as a tool for social cohesion. Across the animal kingdom, yawning serves as a silent signal, aligning the moods and behaviors of group members. It's a fascinating example of convergent evolution, different species arriving at the same solution for group living. Despite our differences, we're united by this simple, shared gesture. Whether in a living room or a jungle, a yawn is more than a reflex. It's a bridge between individuals. It's a way of saying, we're in this together, no matter the species or setting. This simple act reveals the invisible threads that bind social creatures together. Yawning, in its quiet way, reminds us of the deep connections that run through all social beings. The story of the yawn is a story of connection, a universal language that speaks of empathy, trust, and the powerful bonds that unite us all. Why is yawning so infectious? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and amused friends for generations. You might notice that when someone nearby yawns, You almost can't help but do the same. But what's really happening beneath the surface? The answer lies in empathy, the remarkable human ability to sense and share another's feelings. When we see someone yawn, our brains pick up on subtle cues, almost as if we're emotionally syncing up with them. Contagious yawning is thought to be an unconscious form of empathy, where seeing a yawn triggers us to mirror that state. It's not just mimicry, it's a reflection of our brains connecting on a deeper emotional level. Interestingly, children don't start catching yawns until around age 4 or 5, just as their social awareness and empathy begin to blossom. Before this age, they might see a yawn but won't feel the urge to join in. People who score higher on empathy tests are more likely to catch yawns, linking this reflex to our emotional makeup. It's as if our brains are wired to respond to the feelings and states of those around us, even in such a subtle way. Even hearing or reading about yawning can trigger the urge, showing how deeply ingrained this response is. Just the mention of a yawn can set off a chain reaction, reminding us how connected we are, even through words or sounds. The yawn activates parts of our brain tied to social processing and emotional resonance. It's a subtle signal, but it lights up the same neural pathways that help us understand and relate to others. It's a small but genuine reflection of our capacity for connection. Sharing a yawn can even spark a moment of laughter, or a knowing glance, reinforcing our bonds. Through a simple yawn, we unconsciously tune in to those around us, picking up on their state of mind and responding in kind. It's a silent language of empathy that we all speak. It's a testament to our nature as social beings, wired for empathy. Whether among friends, family, or even across species, the contagious yawn reminds us that we're all connected in ways both big and small. The secret to contagious yawning lies in our brain's mirror neurons. These remarkable cells fire both when we act and when we observe others doing the same. Mirror neurons allow us to internally simulate others' experiences, forming the basis for imitation and empathy. When we see someone yawn, our mirror neuron system is activated, often triggering a yawn in response. This process is automatic, happening below conscious awareness, and helps foster social connection. Contagious yawning is a clear example of how our brains bridge the gap between self and other. Many social animals, from primates to dogs, have similar systems, explaining why yawning spreads across species. It's the brain's way of keeping groups in sync and reinforcing social bonds. Who we catch a yawn from isn't random. It's shaped by our relationships. We're more likely to yawn after family or close friends than strangers, reflecting the strength of our social bonds. In chimpanzee troops, contagious yawning is most common among kin and trusted allies, reinforcing group structure. Dogs, too, are more likely to yawn in response to their owners, a sign of trust and connection. Wolves in the wild show the same pattern. Yawning spreads most among pack members with strong ties. This selective response helps maintain group cohesion and synchronizes behavior. The shared yawn is a subtle signal of affiliation, a quiet nod to trust. Whether in a human family, a primate troop, or a wolf pack, yawning is a marker of social closeness. It's a small act with a big role in the fabric of social life. Yawning isn't just about sleepiness. It's a complex signal of changing alertness. We yawn when tired, bored, or even anxious, as our bodies reset their state of arousal. One theory suggests yawning cools the brain, helping us stay alert and efficient. When a yawn becomes contagious, it takes on a social function, signaling shifts in group alertness. Imagine ancient humans around a fire. One yawn signals the group to wind down together. In animals, a yawn can prompt others to check their vigilance, acting as a subtle alarm system. Contagious yawning helps synchronize group behavior, whether for rest or readiness. It's a quiet but effective way to keep everyone on the same page. In a world full of distractions and dangers, this simple act helps groups stay safe and connected. Yawning is more than a sign of fatigue. It's a tool for group survival. The contagious yawn acts as social glue, binding individuals and synchronizing group activities. In any social group, coordination is key, whether for resting, hunting, or staying alert. Yawning spreads through a group, aligning everyone's internal state. This synchrony ensures that rest or vigilance happens together, boosting safety and unity. It's not just about sleep. A yawn can reset and refocus a group's attention in moments of danger. Contagious yawning is a quiet, efficient way to maintain group cohesion without attracting attention. Even today, a yawn in a classroom or boardroom signals the group's collective state. The ancient job of the yawn, communicating and synchronizing, remains unchanged. We are deeply social creatures, bound by invisible threads of shared behavior. The yawn is a humble but powerful reminder of our interconnectedness. The next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's more than just tiredness. You're participating in an ancient, wordless conversation that links you to people and animals everywhere. This simple reflex is a testament to empathy and the power of social bonds. From dogs to chimpanzees, contagious yawning reveals our shared capacity for connection. It's a subtle tool for synchrony, safety, and cooperation, shaped by evolution. The yawn reminds us that empathy and social harmony are fundamental forces in the natural world. A simple yawn is a profound expression of our shared place in life's web,